people.
Hey! Guess where we're at? Taylor, tell them.
It is a blistering Sunday, and we are out.
Oh, it's only 83 degrees. Woo! It's actually really hot, guys.
It's hot. We are out at the Renaissance Pleasure Fair in Irwindale?
Yes.
In Irwindale, California. And we have the baby tucked in. We have Evelyn here. So, yeah.
Who's got the ticket?
All right, so let's go in. Awesome. Because it's lighting up because it's so hot.
It's like a light. Is that how light bulbs shine?
What did you get? Show me what you have. What are you about to do?
The bubble challenge.
The bubble challenge. This is probably the coolest part of the whole Ren Fair, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this like the coolest thing you ever did?
Yeah.
Go ahead and step inside. Sit on your bottom, cover the food nice and tight. All right. Go.
Starving, and so we're heading off now on our first quest, which is Operation Turkey Leg.
So good. So turkey legs and artichokes, that's our next mission. We found water.
So we've passed archery, candle making, leather crafts, puppet show, escape room.
They got it all.
The fair's over and they swine.
We spotted it.
We've spotted the turkey legs straight ahead.
It might be a mirage. It's pretty far off in the distance. But I think we finally found the food, which is crazy.
There we go. This is it.
We walked for like an hour through all these different things to do, and there was no food, which is pretty impressive for a fair. And now
this is actually one of the coolest fairs you can ever go to.
And now we have found the mecca of eating.
Renaissance Fair.
There is steak on a steak. That's funny.
Right there, turkey legs.
And here's the line for the leg.
Throw knives.
Alright, fine people. It is hot and Evelyn is very dirty and tired
And stinky.
and stinky. And the day is done. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Los Angeles Renaissance Pleasure Fair
2018.
2018.
You all need to go to it.
And we will see you in the next one. Adios.
What is it?
Really gentle, lift it up. Very cool.
Alright.